Hey, what's going on, everyone? Dr. Taylor, Spark Chiropractic. The day's here. It's today, Thursday, October 10th. Doors open at 8:30 for our 9th annual. This is the 9th time we've done this. 9th annual Patient Appreciation Day. Juliet's setting up the tacos right now. Lunch part 1 will be here maybe around 11. Lunch part 2 will be here at 3. We'll have dinner ready to go for you. Remember, all day long today, adjustments are free. Software is free. Decompression's free. Food is free. We're doing prize giveaways as always too. Watch for the end of the day. You're going to pop back over here. We're going to do the live drawing at the end of the day. We've got over $3,000 worth of stuff that we're giving away. We've got a 65-inch TV. We've got Stars tickets. We've got Cowboys tickets. Shoot, a fistful of cash. Just a stupid number of gift cards. All day long today. Walk right through that door. Everything we do is free. Why? Just to say thanks. And also, not a spoiler alert, maybe a little FOMO, we might have a special appearance by a certain guest today. Some of you may recognize him or her. But you got to come in and find out. Now, remember, you don't have to be present to win, but you do have to show up at some point today. Everything today we're doing for free. Every service we have, come on in, grab a bite to eat, say hi, and seriously, just give us the opportunity just to say thanks for the 9th year in a row. You guys have a great rest of your day. Shoot, I'll see you, I don't know, maybe in about half an hour or so. Doors open then.